I did a little tidy up of the kitchen garden yesterday. Thanks, Tim. He was horticulture legend. This is mainly his section, hey? Most of those are his plants. Cinnamon, avocado, cassava, pigeon pea, comfrey, arrowroot. Good little guild. Remulched the pathways. Did some pruning of my pioneer tree, the Lucina that I'm using. So I'm using that as carbon and chop and drop mulch, and it's also a nitrogen fixer. I've also got a few acacias which are natives at the back doing the same thing. And they provide shade in summer and frost protection in winter. They are 12 months old. Awesome growth, hey? For 12 months. They've had a few prunes now and they just got their first apical cut, which is the one across the top. First attempt at a cinnamon marcot, but micro box, or banded huntsman box. I wonder if he's eaten a few bats. He's huge, monster. Stuff of nightmares. Hey, Dan? Just integrating the flock. Hey, Fred. Mum and babies are doing so well. Cindy definitely has been throwing her weight around, loving the fact that she's no longer one of the smallest chickens at the moment. Loves teaching the babies a lesson. Oh, look at that! Ah, dear! Ah, dear, got in. Now, I try not to disturb the snake too much because obviously they've just eaten, but can't stay in the coop, so need to relocate. Trusty little garden hoe. Could have just used my hands to do that. Probably would have preferred it. They're warmer. Alrighty. One full carpet python. So the only way I can sort of see that the snake got in is under the concrete slab. Looks like a little rat buried under, and the old snake has gone for a wander and ended up with El Parmigiana. So devoed, man, but nature. I don't even know how that bloody snake got in there, but you know, it got rewarded for its efforts. There's the potential entry. Hopefully that will stop future snakes. So, just check on the girls. Been 2 days since snake attack, and unfortunately, viewer discretion, that is what's left of Cindy. Not only did I lose 3 babies, I lost feisty little Cindy. Looks like a fox got her before she returned to the coop. What a weekend.